What's up, guys? We're gonna be going to Big Bear Lake this morning. We woke up at 5 a.m. I dragged Lena out of bed and she's more than excited to be going. Unfortunately, she's on a coffee break right now, so only I've had my coffee, and I think Haley's ready. Yeah, you ready?
Oh yeah.
Today we're gonna be filming on the A7RIII with the Sony GM16-35 f2.8. Again, we're going up to Big Bear Lake and we're gonna try out the DJI Ronin S as well. Alright, we're about to hook up the DJI Ronin S. Alright, first time out here with the DJI Ronin S. We got Lena and Haley with us, and we're about to go for a hike on Cougar Crest Trail. Alright, so far what I've learned, the stabilization on this thing is awesome. However, you definitely want to auto-tune it before you take it out. I didn't realize that the first time I used it. It's made a world of a difference in the stabilization, especially making sure it's balanced right, making sure everything's excellent, and then running through auto-tune in the DJI Ronin app. I don't think you're able to see that, but we are very close to the top. Whew. Hey Lena, we made it.